Thank you, Sharon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mark Blumenkrantz, and I'm the Chairman and CEO of Kedalion Therapeutics. Very glad to be with you today and to tell you about our company and some exciting new developments to share. Kedalion's a clinical stage ophthalmic drug company addressing the largest front of the eye markets with our internal drug pipeline and a disruptive topical delivery platform. Eye drops have been around for hundreds of years, but the problem is there's really been no significant innovation for at least the last 50 years. We know that 90% of patients dose improperly from peer-reviewed studies. Up to 24% of eye drop bottles, even those with preservatives, are contaminated. Up to 30% of patients who think they have good technique miss the eye under observational studies, and up to 50% of patients stop using eye drops within 1 year of starting. We believe that Kedalion's AccuStream provides a terrific solution for many of these issues. It's a novel multi-dose preservative-free horizontal delivery system applicable to a wide variety of different topical pharmaceuticals in different indications. We believe that we have a compelling value proposition that is supported by 8 key features. This allows for significant differentiation from all existing means of delivering ophthalmic pharmaceuticals, and we believe has the potential to disrupt the topical ophthalmic markets in the future. Some of these features include multi-dose preservative-free capability, highly effective microdosing providing less than 20% of the volume of a normal eye drop, very precise proprietary aiming technology, a superior comfort, ergonomics, and ease of use profile for patients, Bluetooth-enabled smart connected technology, the capability for extended delivery of up to 60 or even 90 days with a single device, consistency across multiple different viscosities and other solutions, including suspensions, and importantly, very low cost of goods, creating a very promising commercial model. Let me tell you a little more about why we think multi-dose preservative-free delivery and what we also term micro-free delivery is so important. Multi-dose preservative-free delivery improves patient outcomes and reduced preservative-related side effects. It commands a pricing premium in the market and the opportunity for partnership opportunities. We designed the system with this in mind, and following that, subjected it to aggressive challenge in multiple different independent laboratories with up to 2 weeks of testing in the face of microbial challenge. We measured residual preservative-free drug in the device and fluid, including microbiologic cultures. And we found that AccuStream showed no bacteria in the drug reservoir and comparable or superior topical performance compared with traditional preserved dropper bottle delivery. We believe that smart features are another important component of this system. Kedalion mobile connectivity provides for new capabilities for patients, including dose tracking reminders and compliance metrics, as you see here on the right. For caregivers and physicians, it allows the potential for remote compliance monitoring, patient interventions, and even potentially dose adjustment. From a research perspective, it has the capacity to facilitate adjustable dosing regimens and monitoring for clinical trials. And for manufacturers, the ability to capture data better, to track compliance, to look at dosing habits and utilization patterns, and other commercial considerations as well. We've been very active in clinical trial activity over the last several years. We've now treated more than 100 patients across 3 indications with 3 different drugs and our platform. This includes phase 1 studies in both mydriasis and glaucoma and 3 separate trials in presbyopia, both phase 1 and phase 2. Now I'm going to show you some new data that has not been presented before publicly on the treatment of symptomatic presbyopia in a phase 2 prospective randomized masked clinical trial. We're very excited to share with you today the results of our recently completed prospective randomized double-masked clinical trial of symptomatic presbyopia. Our endpoint in this study was the number of patients achieving 3 lines or more of distance-corrected near visual acuity under mesopic conditions. We tested 4 different doses of drug and compared them with each other, as you can see here below, A through D, as well as with a placebo group. As you can see, we identified a dose that outperformed all the other doses as well as placebo, with 66.7% of patients achieving 3 lines of improvement. This was also true for patients under photopic conditions as well as the mesopic conditions, which I'm showing you here. In the slide, you can see that we had a highly statistically significant p-value of p less than 0.01. Our team is experienced with veterans from multiple different successful companies in the past, as are our board of directors, strategic advisors, and scientific advisory board. We're very excited to have kicked off our Series B fundraising. We're going to use these proceeds to meet several key milestones. These include the completion of a phase 3 program and submission of an NDA for our lead program in symptomatic presbyopia, and also to optimize our platform and include manufacturing scale-up for additional clinical trials in the future. We're currently raising $45 million of equity financing. So in summary, I'm very pleased to have had the opportunity to speak with you today about what we consider to be Kedalion's outstanding opportunity. We believe that we create value in 2 distinct ways, providing multiple shots on goal. Our principal value drivers are both an internal drug portfolio and also a highly innovative platform that provides for differentiation not only for our internal portfolio products, but also for potential strategic partners. On the internal side, we have a differentiated presbyopia candidate as our lead program. We are now planning to proceed with our phase 3 study, followed by NDA submission. And as well as that, we have programs developing in glaucoma and other indications to address unmet needs in a very large existing $17 billion topical drug market. On the platform side, we believe that microdosing allows for differentiation, and with our significant COGS reduction, life cycle management for a number of other drug products on the market today that face those challenges. We believe that our multi-dose preservative-free platform is the most advanced one available, with a highly differentiated host of other features to go along with that, including microdosing. And finally, our smart connected technology creates the opportunity for new solutions and better patient experiences and better outcomes. Thank you very much